So hello guys, we will discuss today about the reproductive health concept which is from chapter 6 and SSC topic it is 10th class. If you like this video, do subscribe this channel and also comment. So let's start the concept. First of all, what is reproductive health? We'll see. So what is reproductive health is? It is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. It is also related to reproductive system and its function. So let's start the concept. That is, sexual maturity is gradual, means it occurs slowly. Sexual maturity is gradual, is gradual. Gradually it takes place, and it takes place at the age of adolescence. Sexual maturity takes place at the age of adolescence. But still bodily changes at the age of adolescence. Sexual maturity takes place, but still bodily changes goes on. But still bodily changes goes on. Or we can say here growth. Bodily growth goes on. Sexual maturity is gradual and it takes place at the age of adolescence, but still the bodily growth goes on even after the adolescence period. So this sexual maturity does not indicate that a girl can bear a child. Sexual maturity does not indicate that the girl can bear a child, can bear or have a child. So according to the Department of Family Welfare, it is said that 21% of teenage mothers die during delivery. They found that 21% of teenage mothers die during delivery. Who has found? Is according to family health welfare. According to Department of Family Welfare. What they have noticed is 21% of teenage mothers die during delivery. So girls below 18 years of age, they should not get married. The girls below 18 years of age, they should not marry, as they cannot cannot bear a child, and 21% of teenage motherhood also they die during delivery. So according to the Department of Family Welfare. So there is one more concept we have to discuss, that is stop female feticide. So this is important for 2 marks. Stop female feticide and save a girl. Stop female. The slogans regarding this also will be asked. Feticide and save a girl child. So because of this female feticide, the number of females to male ratio is decreasing. Or we can say female to male ratio is decreasing. Because of this female feticide, female to male ratio is decreasing. Stop female feticide and save a girl. Females to male ratio has been decreasing. It was noticed by the government sector, and for that sake government has enacted laws. which will prohibit, according to that law, there is a prohibition to determine the sex of a fetus. Government has prohibited to determine the sex of the fetus. So it has enacted laws for the determination of sex of fetus. For the determination of sex of fetus. So we should stop female feticide, because today's girl child can be tomorrow's teacher. She can be teacher, doctor, engineer, officer, etc. So we should stop female feticide. It is not only responsibility of a government to stop female feticide, it is also responsibility of all of us to stop female feticide, because today's girl can be tomorrow's teacher, doctor, engineer and officer. So this is about a small concept, stop female feticide, which is very very important for 2 marks, and slogans also very important regarding this. So what we have studied here about reproductive health is, what is reproductive health? It is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, all these three, and also it is related to reproductive system and its well-being functions also. So sexual maturity is gradual, means it takes place slowly, and sexual maturity takes place at the age of adolescence, but still after adolescence also bodily growth goes on. So sexual maturity does not indicate that the girl can have a child or she can bear a responsibilities of a family. And 21% of teenage mothers, they die during delivery. This was found noticed by, according to the family Department of Family Welfare. They have noticed that 21% of teenage mothers die during delivery. So we should stop female feticide, and we have to save the girl child, because because of this female feticide, the number of females are being decreased compared to that of male. Female to male ratio is decreased, means number of females is decreased compared to the male. And government has enacted laws for that purpose, to for the determination of sex of the fetus, means the government has enacted laws to stop the determination of sex of the fetus. For the determination of sex of the fetus, means no determination of the sex of the fetus is being done. Enacted laws for the determination of sex of fetus. So today's girl can be tomorrow's teacher, doctor, engineer and officer, etc. So we have to stop female feticide and save a girl child. So government has enacted laws to stop the determination of, let us write here, to stop the determination of, okay, sex of fetus. So this is about the reproductive health concept. Now we will discuss about what are sexually transmitted diseases and how will it transmit and how to prevent that. That concept we will cover.